Recently, I posted a video on how you can make more money for watching a 30 seconds video on the internet. And a lot of people have enjoyed that video. They've been asking me to do more of this video. Today, I've investigated and searched for another wonderful website that is what paying people for doing the simple tasks. So if you are ready, let's jump into the video. My name is Seth. I make video on how to grow your business, earn money online, and do a bunch of stuff. I give you tips and tricks to open an account and the rest. So if you are interested in my videos, make sure you click on this subscribe button and like this video and share to others. So without wasting my time, let's jump. So the website that we're going to talk about is called Juma Workers. Online marketplace for a lot of people to advertise their business. So people come in and post their business in here. All that you are going to do is to perform those works for them. If you get here, click on sign up, and sign up, you type in your first name, enter your email address here, type your username, okay, enter your password. Make sure you provide a strong password. Select your gender, select your country. I choose Ghana. So if I'm Nigerian, just choose Nigeria. Come in and take on the agree, click sign up. So what you're supposed to do is to go to your email address and confirm your email address. Here you enter your email address again, password. This is how the dashboard look like. Okay, so when you get to this site, we have micro jobs here. So jobs, if you search here, you see jobs here, and we see the person who posted the job and the rest. So if you check on this job, you see payment success, and so this person is looking for 236 is looking for 250 people to perform this task, and when they perform this task, you paid them for that one. Okay, so if you check this here, you see the number of people that has left for this job. So if you come in, you choose any of the jobs that you want to perform, and you get paid for the jobs that you have done. If you check here, it says YouTube subscribe. So he's looking for 228 people to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You subscribe to the channel, you get $15, $0.15 into your account. So all that you need to do is to go in, click on it, and then subscribe to the channel. Then you confirm it. If you come to this site, so we say visit, and we have paid survey and offers here. You go in and take off any survey that you want, you think you can perform it, and start making bunch of stuff here. And we have the referral options here. So if you refer someone, you get $2 from the referral. So to withdraw, if you look at this one, this is my dashboard. Okay, so to withdraw your end, you go to request withdrawal. If you click on request withdrawal, we have the withdrawal method here. If you want to use PayPal and you don't have PayPal account, check on the video description. I have a PayPal on my channel. You can watch how you can create your PayPal address. So this is a new method that I want to show you. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure don't skip, like, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Our next video, I'll take you to another wonderful step.